Understanding wire sizes for electrical services.
Hello. Today we're going to talk about an important question that often comes up when designing or working on electrical installations. Is it possible to use a smaller wire size for a 100 amp service at a closer distance than 150 feet?
What factors determine the size of the wire?
When it comes to choosing the right wire size for a specific application, there are several factors to consider. These include amperage. This is the amount of current that a wire can safely carry. Distance. The longer the distance, the more voltage drop occurs, which could affect the performance of your electrical devices. Voltage drop. Voltage drop can be a problem in longer wire runs. Keeping the wire size larger can help reduce this problem.
Can I use a smaller wire for a 100 amp service at a closer distance?
The answer to this depends on the specifics of your situation. For a 100 amp service, the generally recommended wire size is 2 Aruban fluorines copper or 1/0 AWG aluminum. This recommendation is meant to ensure safety and efficiency, even over longer distances up to 150 feet. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that a smaller wire size can't be used for shorter distances. The key is to ensure that the wire can handle the load safely, and that voltage drop is kept within acceptable limits, usually not more than 3% for individual branch circuits, and 5% for the total of all circuits. If you are dealing with a distance significantly less than 150 feet, you could theoretically use a smaller wire size, but only if it can still safely handle the load and maintain acceptable voltage drop levels.
What are the risks of using a smaller wire size?
However, be aware that using a smaller wire size comes with risks. Overheating. If the wire can't handle the current, it can overheat, which could potentially lead to a fire. Increased voltage drop. A smaller wire can lead to an increase in voltage drop, which can affect the performance of your electrical devices. Code violations. Your local electrical code may have specific requirements for wire sizes, and using a smaller wire might violate those codes. In conclusion, while it's theoretically possible to use a smaller wire size for a 100 amp service at a closer distance than 150 feet, it's generally not recommended unless you're certain the wire can handle the load safely and maintain acceptable voltage drop levels. Always consult with a licensed electrician or electrical engineer before making such decisions, and be sure to comply with local electrical codes. I hope this information has been helpful, and thanks for watching.